Is it on now, sir? Okay. So I welcome us back to the class. I have only one participant here. Okay. So can we tell others to join? In the next 5 minutes, I will take the attendance. Are they here now? Okay. Okay. So my slide. Mhm. Okay. My phone is not even here. So we talked on what a data is. We talked on what a data processing involved, and we talked on what an information is. So we said a data is a raw fact about a particular person or whatever in whatever you need that such data for. So we said a data can as well be an unprocessed information. So they are just raw facts, and when it's being processed, we have information. So, and we talked on different processes, while data is equally important, while you must use the particular data set that is related to whatever area you are working on, and not just pick up any data that is not related to what you are doing. So the data set must be related. It must be within a particular domain. Then we equally talked on what a DSS is. DSS implies decision support system. So we talked on what a system is, that all areas or all gadgets or all things that are represented in a system must be able to work together for a whole being, for something that is concrete. It's not, and I make an example of what a system can be. I said a system can be a particular human being. So if you have an issue with maybe the legs are not there, then you won't be able to walk normally like others are walking. Or probably the hands are not there, or a particular part of the body is not there. It's going to affect the whole system in a particular way. So a system, all the parts that are interrelated must be able to work together to have a decision, to have something that you can use for making vital decision. So we talked on the importance of a decision support system. We says it must be accurate, it must be timely, it must be effective. So for you to say you want to use a particular application as a decision support system, such application you must to an extent be sure that it can give you a thing that is accurate. It can give you something that you can build vital decisions upon. So I want to take the first attendance code for the class. The first attendance code, you go to the attendance button, you type DD, all in capital, DD1PW. Please listen carefully. I could see a lot of things that we were typing on the WhatsApp. DD1PW. D for dog. You are typing D twice. You type letter 1, then you type P for Paul and W for Williams. DD1PW. When you type that code in, you are to supply your name and your matric number. When you type the first code, you are to supply your name and your matric number. Okay. So I give us little time to attend to this. The first attendance code DD1PW. Then you type in your name and your matric number. Then I go to the second attendance code. The second attendance code, I have AHLE5. AHLE5. You just type that in. You don't need to enter your name and matric number anymore since you have done it earlier. The second attendance code, we have AHLE5. AHLE5, the second attendance code. Then the third, which is the last attendance code, we have MWFUC. You just type that in. So that's the third attendance code and the last one, MWFUC. Okay. So you are to submit the attendance code between now and 3 p.m. this afternoon. Between now and 3 p.m. The time is 2:22 now, so we have about 38 minutes that you can still use to supply the attendance code. First one, DD1PW. Second one, AHLE5. And the last one, MWFUC. Then I said it earlier, for all of us that want to buy our CSC 221 manuals, please, you can access that manual. You can buy it via your class reps. Please, there's no individual buying. Go and pay to your class rep. You have to pay a sum of 2,500 naira plus 20 naira charges. I repeat again, 20 naira charges. No class rep must take more than 20 naira charges, please. So you pay to your class rep. Your class rep will come to the department or to the Faculty of Computing and purchase the manual in bulk, then we'll distribute to you. And very soon, I'll be giving some assignment that we are to do in this manual. So, yeah. So please, I'll be giving an assignment for us that will be submitting and will be graded. All manuals that are purchased, you will do an assignment and you will submit and it will be graded, which is part of your assessment for this course, and also the attendance for each of the lectures. So now we will be using telepresence. So same time next week by 1 p.m., we'll equally be meeting via the medium, and all attendance will be used as part of criteria for assessments for this course. So on this note, I want to wish us the very best for the rest of the day. We see. So you can begin to submit your attendance now, please. CSC 221, fourth lecture attendance, telepresence. Please submit your attendance now. You have from now till 3 p.m. So I want to call the class to quit. We'll meet in the fifth lecture, same time next week, Tuesday, 1 p.m. via the same medium. Thank you very much. So none of them are submitted. I didn't want to get it. Oh, it's a good guy. They are getting it. Okay. Has anyone submitted successfully? They are not a science case. They are not a science case. They are social sciences. Was was the lecture recorded? And we see it any other way? Yeah, after the class. But no, go to the same link right now. Okay, so okay. We just say 2 to 1 lecture. Has anybody now saw it now? Mo lè máa lọ. Sí rẹ̀ bí gan.